What's up guys? In this video, I will show you 3 ways to download and play games on your LG Smart TV. So, over here is my LG Smart TV, and the first and simplest way to download any game on your LG Smart TV is to get the game from the LG App Store, which is basically this app over here. So what you want to do is to come over to this list of apps on your LG Smart TV, and then you just want to hover horizontally until you get to the LG App Store app, which is basically the apps labeled apps over here. Now go ahead and select it just like so. Now from the LG App Store, you will basically notice that apps are actually arranged in different categories over here. So what you want to do is to hover to the games category to find out all of the apps that are actually available for download on your LG Smart TV. So you want to scroll over to the top just like so, and then hover to games over here. Now click on it, and automatically you're going to find all of the games app that are available on your LG Smart TV. Now what you just want to do is to go ahead and select the actual game you want to download and play on your LG Smart TV. In my case, I'll go ahead and select the Need for Speed game over here. Click on it, and from here you want to click on the install button. Now give it a minute or two for this particular app to download and install into your LG Smart TV. And once it is installed, you can go ahead and click on the launch button to automatically launch the app on your LG Smart TV. Now one thing you have to note is that for some games, you actually have to connect a controller to your LG Smart TV for you to be able to play those kinds of games. But for this one, you basically do not need any controller, so you can go ahead and play it with your remote control. Now, if you do not like the games that are available on the LG App Store, another way you can actually download and play games on your LG Smart TV is to simply go ahead and connect your gaming device to your LG Smart TV using a HDMI cable just like this one over here. Now, your gaming device in this particular case can be your PS5, your Xbox, your phone, or even your laptop. In this particular case, I'm going to try connecting my laptop as my gaming device to my LG Smart TV using this HDMI cable over here. So what you want to do is to go ahead and connect one end of the HDMI cable to your LG Smart TV, and then go ahead and connect the other end of the HDMI cable to your gaming device. In this particular case, it will be my laptop. And just like so, I can simply play any game that is available on my laptop through my LG Smart TV. Now trust me, this is a very good option because by connecting it using a HDMI cable, gaming on your TV will be fast and smooth. Finally, the last option you have to download and play games on your LG Smart TV is to simply get a TV stick or a TV box just like this one over here. Now this is the Mi TV stick, and basically what it does is that it gives your TV the Android environment that is needed for you to be able to download and play Android games on your LG Smart TV. So basically it comes with the Android operating system. Now once this particular device is connected to any of the HDMI ports on your TV, basically what you want to do again is to go ahead and press on the input source button, and then select the same input source where this particular TV stick is actually connected to your TV. Now once you have it connected to your TV, what you want to do is to go ahead and open up the Google Play Store on this particular device. You can literally see that it actually comes with the Google Play Store. So you want to scroll over to the Google Play Store over here, click on it just like so. And from the Google Play Store, you can literally find any app that is available on the Google Play Store on your LG Smart TV. So from here, if I come over to the Games tab, just like so, I should be able to now download and play any Android game that is available on the Google Play Store for Android TVs over here on my LG Smart TV. Now, one thing you also have to note is that this particular device actually has the capability of sideloading other apps that are not available on the Google Play Store. So you can literally download and install any Android app into your LG Smart TV and play directly from here. So basically, those are the 3 options you have to download and play games on your LG Smart TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.